Hello all and welcome to Cool Coded Gen. Today we are going to look at the Snake Game Part 2, the Snake Collisions. But before that, I have to make a quick change to the costume of this snake. So in the snake sprite, click on the costumes tab. Let's duplicate this costume and make sure that all of this are in vector mode. And you must get this convert to bitmap button. Okay, so now I am going to paint a tongue here. So this costume name will be tongue. What I am going to do is I am going to draw a rectangle here which will be red in color. Now I am going to reshape this rectangle to something like this, a forked tongue, but now I think that it must be a little small, like this. Now we must flip this costume by pressing the shift key and then dragging it like this. Now you can place this flip horizontally also. Now make sure that these two are in the center. And make sure that all the costumes are in the center. And all have the same fill color. So, in the code section, we are going to add when green flag is clicked forever, if clone is equal to 0, the clone variable which we made to make sure that it wasn't a clone and it was a clone, and switch the costume to costume 2. Costume 2 is this, the normal one. The costume 1 is with the eyes, and the costume 3 which we made the tongue is with the tongue. So now if clone is equal to 0, switch costume to costume 1, then wait. Take random 2 to 5 seconds, switch costume to costume 2, costume tongue, pick random 2 to 5 seconds and it will loop around. So let's test this now and just clean up the block. See, the tongue came. I think that the weight here must be of 0.5 seconds, I guess. Let's see. Yes, 0.5 is a good time. So we have our world record and score which we saw in the last episode. Now we are going to see about the snake collisions. For that, we are going to make another sprite which is our live sprite. And I am going to draw 3 hearts here. To do that, make a perfect circle. Make sure it is in the center. And rename it to 3. Fill color to red. Now, make use of the reshape tool here and click on the circle, and now we are going to reshape the circle to a heart. So instead of this, we have a better option, which is we have emojis. So press Windows plus dot and then press the hearts emoji. So we have 3 emojis here. This will be named as 3. Duplicate it. Now remove one heart and make sure it is centered, and this will automatically be renamed to 2. Now we duplicate this again and this will be renamed to 4. Now we have to change it to 1 and remove one heart and make it centered. Now the size of it is too small, so make it 200 here. And in the 3 heart costume, we are going to drag it on the top right corner, which is X 180 and Y 155. So we have positioned our lives there, and now we are going to make another sprite, which is the live sprite for all sprites. Okay, and then hide it. When green flag click, forever, if lives is equal to 3, then switch costume to 3. Then duplicate it and 2, same with the 1, same with if the lives is equal to 1. Now when green flag click, we have to set lives to 3. So this is the code for the live sprite. Now we are going to make snake collisions work in the snake sprite. When green flag is clicked, forever, if touching color, now we don't know what color it is, so in the costume sprite, select this square and see it sets the color to 3200, while the others will be 3100. Now in the code sprite, if touching color 3200, then change lives by -1. Now what if the lives is equal to 0? So in the live sprite, forever, if lives is equal to 0, we are going to broadcast message 1, which is the lose game. So let's run the project. Let's see, it's not working. Why? Let's see what's the problem. If the clone is equal to 0, is not is equal to 0, then stop this script. Okay, let's see now. Or we will add the lives, make the lives variable visible. It is not working. Why? Let's see here. In the costumes, have we made a mistake? Convert all to bitmap. It is now pixelated. Are they on center? This is centered. Oh, what is this? That was bad. Let's make a square. This square must be 25 by 25 in size. This is 25 by 25. Now the color should be 30 to 100. Let's see now. Ooh, what was that? In the full screen mode. Now what is happening actually is when the snake is touching its body, then the Scratch program is not stopping here. So we will add the snake sprite. Wait until not touching, color light green. So now let's see. Oh, why is it happening? We have only one live and we are losing. Let's see here. Oh, if lives is equal to 0, we forgot to change that. Let's see now. Yes, it is working. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching my video and hope you like it. Bye all.